Are you looking for your dream job abroad? Do you want to work in Germany, Europe's largest economy with over 2 million job openings? Well, you can move to Germany without a job offer with the German Job Seeker Visa. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know to apply for this visa. Germany has a huge shortage of workers right now. As one of the top economies in the world, Germany has over 2 million vacant jobs across multiple industries. So Germany is welcoming international professionals by offering 3,000 skilled worker visas every year. But what if you don't have a concrete job offer yet? Can you still move to Germany legally? Yes, you can. With the German Job Seeker Visa, you can stay in Germany for up to 6 months to look for jobs. In this easy-to-understand video, I'll explain: what is the Germany Job Seeker Visa? Who is eligible to apply? The documents you need. Step-by-step application instructions. What happens after you apply? So if you want to move to Germany without a job but then find employment from within Germany, stick around as I walk you through everything you need to know. What is the Germany Job Seeker Visa? The Germany Job Seeker Visa allows you to stay in Germany legally for up to 6 months to look for employment opportunities. Within the 6 months, you can attend job interviews, networking events, and work with recruiters to land a job. If you secure a job offer, you can then switch from the Job Seeker Visa to the appropriate German work permit. So in short, the big pros of this visa are: you can move to Germany without having a job prearranged. If you find a job, you can change your visa status to a work permit while within Germany. Knowing German is not required to get this visa. However, there are some cons to consider as well. You cannot bring family members with you on this visa. You must find a job within 6 months, or else you have to leave Germany. You cannot extend the 6-month duration of this visa, so it's best for single professionals who are confident they can secure employment within 6 months. Eligibility criteria. To apply for the Germany Job Seeker Visa, you must have at least a bachelor's degree or master's degree, either from a German university or an equivalent foreign university degree. Have at least 5 years of professional experience relevant to your degree field of interest. Be able to financially support yourself during your 6-month stay, so you need to show proof of funds. Have suitable accommodation arranged for your time in Germany, have valid health insurance coverage. So in summary, you must have strong academic qualifications, work experience, and the financial means to support yourself for 6 months in Germany to find a job. Documents you need. To apply for the German Job Seeker Visa, you need to submit: 1. Completed visa application form. 2. Valid passport, minimum 6 months validity. 3. Passport photos. 4. Proof of accommodation in Germany. 5. Proof of health insurance. 6. Cover letter explaining why you want to move to Germany, how you plan to look for jobs, backup plan if you can't find a job. 7. Educational qualifications, degree certificates, transcripts. 8. Proof of work experience, experience letters from employers. 9. Last 3 months payslips. 10. Updated CV. 11. Proof of finances, min 947 euros in a blocked bank account. 12. All documents must be translated into German or English by an authorized translator. Double-check the specific visa application requirements based on the German consulate in your country. They may request additional documents too. Visa application process. Follow these step-by-step instructions to apply for your German Job Seeker Visa. Step 1. Fill out the online visa application form completely. Print and sign the form. Step 2. Schedule an appointment at your nearest German embassy consulate. Step 3. Attend the appointment on the scheduled date and time with all your documents. Step 4. Pay the visa application fee. As of 2024, the fee is 75 euros. Step 5. Appear for your visa interview. Be prepared to answer questions about your move to Germany. Step 6. Submit your full visa application at the embassy. This includes the form, documents, photos, etc. And that's it. The embassy will process your application and make a decision within a few weeks. If approved, you'll get a 6-month job seeker visa sticker on your passport. Visa application results. There are 2 possible visa application outcomes. Approved. If approved, you'll receive your passport with the job seeker visa sticker. You must enter Germany within 90 days from being issued the visa. Once there, you have 6 months to search for employment. Rejected. If your application gets rejected, you'll receive a letter citing the reasons for visa denial. Some common reasons include insufficient funds, not meeting work experience criteria, mistakes in the application, etc. In that case, you'll have to reassess and reapply. Finding a job in Germany. Finding a job in Germany can seem daunting at first, but there are some great online resources that make the process easier. One site I highly recommend is jobmesh.de. JobMesh aggregates job listings from different sites and allows you to search by keyword, location, and other filters. To use it, simply go to the website, enter a German city, and relevant search terms like software engineer or nurse. Just open any job listing that matches your skills and interests and apply for the job with your cover letter and CV. It makes finding and applying for jobs in Germany very simple. I hope this simple video explained everything you need to know about Germany's job seeker visa. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments section below.